If you recently updated your iPhone to iOS 26 with the nice transparent liquid glass display, and the camera also is a little bit different, but you notice that the camera doesn't have the live photo here, it's hidden in a menu. So if you want to access the live photo feature, you have to tap on the menu. If you want to enable live photo or check if it's enabled, you have to press on the menu there and then enable live photo in auto or force live photo all the time. And maybe you want this, maybe not, but for me, I prefer to have live photo enabled all the time or to enable it only when it's needed or when there's some action, something moving. For me, I don't want to have live photo enabled for all the pictures. If I'm just taking a picture of the desk here, I don't want to have live photo for this. So then I have to go enable live photo. You see, it's not so easy, and then I can enable it like this. So now it's live photo. Now live photo is enabled, and then I disable it and then take a picture again. You see, it's before live photo was a control here on the top of the camera, and it's nice that you have the option to easily switch between raw and image, high efficiency image codec, 24 or 48 megapixel maximum, so it will adjust automatically based on what you prefer, what you want to have. And we can see the photo information. The size is 12 megapixel. So even though the setting for the camera was to 48, it actually did a 12 megapixel photo because there is not much here. The good news is you can actually bring that button back out there in the indicators. So open the settings up, and in the settings look for camera right here, and you have lots of options there, but look for the indicators. So you have here composition. I really suggest you enable most of these things, maybe all of them how I have them, but indicators, you have the indicator for flash. So if you don't change the flash if you never change the setting for the flash, you can disable it so it doesn't show on the camera app. I'll show you now. So flash is gone there, but actually we want flash and we want live photo. And like this, you can also change the action mode or the formats. The action mode is also by default disabled in iOS 26. This is the public beta, so by the time this is released to the public, maybe it's going to be different. Hopefully it's going to be different, because I prefer to have this live photo right here. Being able to change live photo from automatic, like that, off or automatic. So yeah, it's finding the subject there. Okay, I take a picture without live photo, take a picture with live photo. This is why I prefer to have it like this. And if you want to force live photo to be enabled, long press on it, and here I could say live on, and it's always enabled there. I can take a picture, and now I can look at this picture. The size still the same. Okay, so let's try bounce. It's just a small clip, so it's moving by itself. Okay, so long press and choose auto. I prefer to have both of them on auto. You can press the menu there and you choose, all the options are still here. Everything is still here as they are, the formats and everything. So you could choose the format to 16:9, a square format, or the 4:3, which is the 3:4, 4:3 standard for picture. Take like this, or with the camera button, or with the camera button right here. You can use the camera button to take pictures, just like that. The phone is getting a little bit hot sometimes whenever I do something on it. iOS 26 working hard and reducing the brightness. I think this is a problem actually, it's reducing the brightness of the iPhone while it's doing some things. I hope this helps you set the camera settings how you want it, especially the live photo. Thanks for watching. Pretty interesting. Glass, liquid glass.